Hey guys, Sean Lentz here from Appalachian DIY. Welcome back to the foundation repair series. What we're going to be doing today in this video is taking out the rest of this foundation wall. So what we're going to be doing today is taking out this foundation wall. We already have the section that we took out where our two windows were. We supported under that rim beam. Remember, that was in the problems video. So we supported under there with floor jacks, and as we work down from this far window here, this section that's open, we're going to just take rock out, and when we get to the middle, we'll probably place another floor jack under that beam just to help support it a little bit, because I don't know how strong that is right now. And we're probably going to need to jack up on it a little bit, because remember, some of those tendons have split and sank a little bit, so we're going to need to get that beam back up into its proper level. So we have a lot planned today. We're going to throw a little time lapse up of me taking this wall out, because it's going to take absolutely forever. So let's go ahead and get started. So that's it for us today, guys. We got our foundation wall down, we have our pit dug, and our floor jack in place underneath our rim beam. And we jacked up on everything a little bit to kind of level everything off, and now we are nice and stable and level. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Head over to Appalachian DIY for more foundation repair videos. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you next time.